Hi, I'm B-Boy Bill, and this is week 3 hive inspection and the Queen Castle. If you got a chance to watch last week's video, you probably recognize we had some queen cells in there, and I was pretty excited about that, because that means it's almost time to split. Now the queen cells we had in there were definitely not capped yet. They were pretty new, but we're hoping they're capped over today and we can go ahead and get them split. I went ahead and built this queen castle. I never built one before, but it's basically a nuke box. I took a little bit off the edges to take it down to 6 frames with the dividers. We'll open it up and you can take a look. The first thing you're going to notice is it's pretty similar to the other setup. We're going to take a frame out here, and you can see 2 frames will go in each divider. So you can see we have a spot for 3 separate compartments in here. Each compartment has 2 vent holes, one on either side. It also has an entrance hole, and those are on 3 separate sides with a little bit of paint. So if we do get the queen in here and she hatches, goes out and gets mated, she can come back to the right hive. One entrance hole is on this side, one entrance hole is in the front, and the last entrance hole is on this side. Well, let's get that hive open and see if we got some queen cells. Maybe we could split this thing up. Well, they got the feeder about empty. That's probably a good sign. Definitely a good sign that we need more feed. These ladies are not happy today. This sucker is super heavy. A lot of nectar in here. Some drones. Not seeing any sign of the queen on that one. Don't see any queen cells either. Oh, there's a cell right there. What's going on with that? Yeah, it looks like a queen cell right there. So they either are gonna supersede her or they want to swarm. So there's one with a queen cell. Looks like we had a repair on this one last week. So let's see what they did with this. We can get her out. Oh yeah. Well, looks like it probably fell, and they built another one. That's interesting. Some fresh comb on there, but no sign of the queen on that one, so I'll put her back in. This is a ton of capped honey on this one. I don't know if those are queen cells or not, but it looks like a queen cell in there. Not seeing the queen on this guy. Lots of nectar. And they're getting antsy for sure. And that looks like a queen cell right there. Okay, this is going into the Queen Castle here. And it's pretty thick on that side. So it's going to be a tight fit here. I think what we're going to do is put this one in. Wait, where the hell's the queen cell? It's on the other side. So, there's plenty of nectar in there to keep them fed. There's a queen cell in there. So this is going right in here. No. Because they built that out so much, I do not think I'm going to be able to put 2 frames in there. So we're going to cover it up like that, I guess. Yeah, we'll see what happens, I suppose. Alright, let's take a look at Hive B here. This is another double. So this is the one that we didn't repair, and they definitely built a double comb there, which makes it difficult to inspect, but this is nice. But there's a lot of capped brood in there. Some of it appears to be drone, maybe not. This frame looks pretty good though. So Hive B, the treble hive, actually looks an improvement to Hive A. This is a nice heavy one. More capped brood, pollen, some nectar up in there. Oh yeah, I got some eggs down in there. Now this comb, obviously not perfect. Some larvae in there. You can see the larvae. Definitely got some larvae in there. Oh, there she is. Right there. There is the queen bee right in the center of this frame. I'm happy to see that. Yep. And she's got plenty of brood on here. So she's going back in here. And this frame right here has some fresh eggs on it. It's got some capped honey, just like this. That is that. So hopefully we'll end up with 2 hives out of this. What we basically did today is make 2 splits. We took a frame of brood from here with a frame of bees, put them in our queen castle. Frame of brood from Hive A, put them in our queen castle. The frame of brood from Hive A already had what appeared to be a queen cell on it. Hopefully that'll give them a jump start and get them rolling. I will have to do something a little different with the queen castle, because when I built it, I was thinking I could get 2 frames in there, but these bees have built out that comb so wide, I'm not going to be able to get 2 frames in either side. So I'll either be looking at building a different style one of these. We'll see how the 1 frame works. These frames are about 30% larger than a laying straw frame, so you're looking at about 1 1/3 frames space in there. But we're going to probably get them out there as soon as the probably the next inspection. We'll get these out and split them into some nukes or something, because the queen castle did not work as planned. So we'll be going back to the drawing board with that. Should work, get us through another week here. we'll hopefully have some queen cells in there and we can get these split again. I want to thank everybody who's been watching these videos and leaving comments. It's really fun. I've been having a great time with it.